So those of you who are all hunkered down and just wanted to say hello, and we're in the same position as you guys are. So we're going to wait and see how this thing all pans out. But I just wanted to send our regards and let you know that we're just kind of waiting to be able to head north a bit.
Hey, I watch your channel.
Hey, thanks. I appreciate that.
We were watching one of yours just the other day.
It's a beautiful boat you got there.
Thank you.
Hey, Aim.
Yeah.
I'm recording you. You want to come out and wave to this guy? They're our viewers. Just for a second. Okay, you don't want to? All right. She's shy.
Hey, did you hear what we were talking about at the bridge down there? They wrote him a ticket for a wake.
Really?
Yeah, the sailboat was making too much weight.
We don't really make a wake.
Never heard of anybody getting a ticket to sailboat for making a wake.
Well, yeah.
We left Key West, going on 5 weeks ago now. I've been gone since October. This is the last day of my trip.
Awesome. Well, that's great. Tell me the name of that channel again.
Black Dog Sailing.
Have you been doing a combination of inside and out or inside the whole way?
Well, we came in, we did day trips out until Fort Pierce.
Have you been through the ICW in Georgia?
I think we ran aground once, got a little too close to the red markers. We hit a submerged object crossing the Savannah River, and I tried to get hauled out in Beaufort, but I couldn't. Limping on up to Charleston, and we were there for 10 days. I got a new prop, new strut, new cutlass bearing.
Good.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, we are kind of sitting here just trying to figure out what to do. We've called a couple of places as we're cruising up north. Several marinas said they're not taking any transients because of the virus issue. There are a few that are taking transients, but they just say that we can't help you at the dock. So now that's not a problem for Amy and I if it's a face dock, because a face dock is something that we've kind of mastered as far as how to come into it and leave it without any assistance. But slips can be doable by yourself, but it really depends on how far in the slipway the slip is and how tight it is, and some are almost impossible for us to do by ourselves, and others are doable, so it's kind of hard to know ahead of time.
Right, yeah,
I'm not ready for this.
yeah. Well, obviously, yeah. Like, well, so I have like winter clothes still. Like, I have no spring clothes.
So you're living on the boat full time?